everybody, welcome to my channel Book and Pen. Today we are going to do 30 important MCQs of class 10th chapter 1 of political science, that is power sharing. So today we will do 30 MCQs of this chapter, and if you know the answers then tell me in the comments, okay? So without wasting much time, let's begin. Our first question is, Belgium shares border with France, the Netherlands, Germany and dash. So right answer is option number C, Luxembourg. Next question. In the capital city Brussels, 80% people speak dash. So 80% people of the capital city of Brussels speak French language. So option number A is correct. Next is 20% of the people of Brussels speak Dutch language. Option number A is correct. Question number 4. Brussels presented a special problem. What was it? So option number B is right. The problem was that Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Okay, this was the problem. Next question, question number 5. What percentage of Sri Lankan population is Tamil speaking? So 18% of the total population of Sri Lanka was Tamil speaking. Option number C is correct. Next is, the people whose forefathers come from India to Sri Lanka as plantation workers during the colonial period are called. So option number B is correct. They are known as Indian Tamils. Option number B is correct. Next is, most of the Sinhali speaking people in Sri Lanka are Buddhist. Option number D is correct. Question number 8. When did Sri Lanka emerge as an independent country? So in 1948, Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country. So option number C is correct. Next is, in an act was passed to recognize Sinhalese as the only official language, thus disregarding Tamil. The government followed preferential policies that favored Sinhalese applicants for university positions and government jobs. So in 1956, this act was passed. Okay. Question number 10. All these government measures, coming one after the other, gradually increased the dash among the Sri Lankan Tamils. So they increased the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamils. Option number C is correct. Question number 11. By the 1980s, several political organizations were formed demanding dash. So they were demanding independent Tamil Eelam state. So option number B is correct. Next is, when did the civil war of Sri Lanka end? So in 2009, the civil war of Sri Lanka came to an end. Option number B is correct. Next is question number 13. How many times was the Constitution of Belgium was amended between 1917 and 1993? So 4 times. 4 times the Constitution of Belgium was amended between 1970 and 1993. Okay. Next is question number 14. The Constitution of Belgium prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers in the central government shall be equal. Okay. Option number A is correct. Next is question number 15. The community government is elected by the people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German speaking. What powers does it hold? So it holds cultural, education and language related issues. So option number A is correct. Next is question number 16. Give reasons as why power sharing can be good for a country. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Yes. It is a good way to ensure the stability of political orders. Yes. It does not lead to confusion in managing the states. No. So option number A and B is right. So option number D is our correct answer. Next is question number 17. Give one model reason as why power sharing is good. Okay. So option number C is correct. People have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. So this is the right answer. Option number C is correct. the idea of power sharing has emerged in opposition to? This is an important question. So, the idea of power sharing has emerged in opposition to undivided political power under one sect. Okay. Our next question is question number 19. Give an example of horizontal distribution of power. So, the government at political, provincial or regional level is an example of horizontal distribution of power. Next is question number 20, which is federal division of power. So, legislative, executive and judiciary are a federal division of power. Next is question number 21st, where power is shared among different organs of government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. What is the function of this system called? So, the function of this system called the system of checks and balances. Option number B is the correct answer. Next is question number 22. Consider the following statements about power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka. Okay. In Belgium, the Dutch-speaking majority people tried to impose their domination on the minority French-speaking community. Yes, they tried to do so. In Sri Lanka, the policies of the government sought to ensure the dominance of the Sinhala-speaking majority. Yes, the Tamils in Sri Lanka demanded a federal arrangement of power sharing to protect their culture, language, equality or opportunity and education and jobs. No, they didn't do so. And the transformation of Belgium from unitary government to a federal one prevented a possible division of the country on linguistic lines. Yes. So we have to choose which of the above statements is correct. So option number B is correct, as when first, second and fourth options of our following above statements is correct. So option number B is our right answer. Question number 23. In Sri Lanka, there are about -% Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala. So there are 7% of Christians in Sri Lanka. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Next is, in Sri Lanka, the democratically elected government adopted a series of measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. So the measures were adopted was known as majoritarian measures. Option number D is correct. In Sri Lanka, a new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster Buddhist Tamil Indians. So option number B is correct. Next is, in Belgium. In Belgium, the state government are not subordinate to the central government. So option number B is correct. It is option number B is correct. Next is, when many countries of Europe came together to form the European Union, Dash was chosen as the headquarters. So option number B is right. Brussels was chosen as the headquarters of the European Union. Next is question number 28. Name one prudential reason for power sharing. So people have a right to be consulted on how they have to be governed is a prudential reason for power sharing. Next is, different arguments are usually put forth in favor and of against the power sharing. Identify those which are in favor of power sharing and select the answer using the code given below. Power sharing reduces conflict among different communities. This is right. Decreases the possibility of arbitrariness. Yes, that is right. Delays decision making process. No. Accommodates diversities. Yes. Increases instability and divisiveness. No. Promotes people's participation in the government. No. Undermines the unity of a country. Yes. So, first, second, fourth and seventh. So our option is option number C. First, second, fourth and seventh. So option number C is correct. Next is our last question for today. Consider the following two statements on power sharing and select the answer using the codes given below. Power sharing is good for democracy. Yes. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Yes. So both 1 and 2 are true. So option number B is correct. So we have completed our today's MCQs. So stay tuned with me on Book and Pen, my channel, for more these updates. And thank you.